If you want to double your exposure and potentially double your sales, you should be listing in Canada. And I'm going to be showing you how to do this. All you need to do is have FBA listings available in Amazon USA. You're going to go to the Sell Globally tab in Amazon USA. And then we're going to see this, right? This page right here. You're going to click Build International Listings. Once you're on Build International Listings, then you're going to say, okay, I want to expand to Canada. It's going to expand all of your Amazon USA listings to Canada, which is awesome. And it's going to have the Canadians eligible to purchase your listings. Amazon will do all the shipping, all the work, right? You're just going to click continue, continue again, continue a third time, and then agree and create offers. As you can see, it takes up to 4 hours. I would wait 24 hours. After 24 hours, what you're going to do is come back, and then you're going to actually go into Canada, and you'll see your listings there. Now, make sure once you start selling in Canada, you're actually looking there on a regular basis, just in case extra customer messages come through or something goes wrong, or it's time to deposit money and you forgot to add your bank account to Amazon Canada. Now, Amazon does automatically convert the money. And also, you need to be a professional seller to do this. But this is pretty much how you do it in a nutshell, not super difficult, right? And that is going to help you expand. Now, if you do expand, you want to make sure that you're generating sales. So feel free to go to the link in the description, get a free listing audit from us, fill this out. We're going to look at your top competitors in the USA. If you're selling in Canada, we'll also look at your top competitors in Canada to make sure your images, your SEO, your listing is optimized so you're generating sales in those different countries. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact the EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer full account management. We'll manage your entire account, help you expand internationally. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.